Hello and welcome to your piñata atmosphere. Various designs, variety of sizes, custom, handmade, piñatas and decor, curbside pickup, delivery, shipping is available. Meet your custom designer, Leticia Marie. Contact Leyva Piñatas to place your unique piñata order now. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Exclusive executive tips. Many designs of paper decor. Plain, short fringe, long fringe, squared, drape, waved, and so much more. Let's get loud at Leyva Piñatas with some noisemaker paper. Up, down, spin it around, and make some ruido here at Leyva Piñatas and Decor, because this is where your party starts. Hola y bienvenidos a Leyva Piñatas. Atrévate, ordena su piñata para recoger en la cera 2 o 3 semanas antes de su evento. Para envíos, ordena su piñata 4 o 6 semanas antes de su evento. ¡Feliz cumpleaños! At Leyva Piñatas. ¿Gustas crecer en el arte de piñatas? Suscríbete al canal. Pequeños negocios crecen con el amor y el apoyo. Hago lo que amo y amo lo que hago. Aquí, en Leyva Piñatas. Search for Leyva Piñatas on Google and Facebook. Please leave a review. Gracias, Gisela. Deja una reseña. Let's grow in 2022. Making memories 1 inch at a time. Feliz cumpleaños, happy birthday. From Leyva Piñatas. Deposit required.